I pulled out another piece of
In
paper
spite of
about
this,
culpability, because you made this point. Important to pull out paper. Another piece of paper now. Mr. Jain, I'm sure, has seen this paper. Look at what is being written. You see, now you say Sanjay Mahindru is the main conspirator. This is Sanjay Mahindru's signature. And what does he write above that? Approval of chairman organizing committee has been solicited. So this is remarkable. You seek someone's approval. The person gives the approval.
You see,
No.
Arnab,
again, what is being happening? Arnab, but you know what is the approach that is happening? First, you come to the conclusion he is guilty,
using the
and then from there
to do
you
the
start.
dirty work, and finally shift the burden on them and get away from the responsibility.
If Meenakshi Lekhi knows so much, then why don't she goes and gives the evidence as a witness in the trial?
No, that is no answer,
It's very easy in the adversarial system to make a political point. Look at one paper here and look at one paper there. I can understand if somebody goes through the paper.
No,
I mean,
why CBI
allow
not
the
looking at
investigating
those
agency
papers
to
which
do
are
the
in
job.
public domain?
rather
this
than
is
looking
not
at the
a one here,
selective
one
paper
there
and making
situation.
Precisely, that is what one is raising fingers at the investigating agency. As a citizen of India, I definitely have that business.
Well, this is not a one here, one there kind of situation, you see. This is all the papers are there. And what makes things difficult today for even those who are trying to cover up is
I can understand if some politician is making a statement, but Mrs. Meenakshi Lekhi is a lawyer. She understands that there cannot be a media by trial and everything, how the court system functions, the charge sheet and all. So she should not find the ignorance and just make a politically brownie point.
Sir, Jain Saab, I also know how investigating agencies function and how CBI functions specifically, which in general parlance is called Congress Bureau of Investigation.
well, you know, and
Digvijay Singh has met Mr. Kalmadi in June and July in Pune. For your information, let me disclose that to you.
Tehseen Poonawalla is a point to make. Yes, Tehseen Poonawalla, you have a point to make, please. Go ahead, Tehseen.
No. As an independent citizen of this country, which even I am, Ms. Lekhi, I believe that the CBI is an independent investigating agency. Now, if you are saying that the CBI is in cahoots with the government, how do you know this? Is it because your experience in the BJP ruled 6 years that the BJP was in cahoots with the CBI? Is it your experience that you're speaking from? And if that was the case, why did you all not change the CBI, madam?
My experience, who has been watching CBI very closely.
Now I want to put out one last piece of paper.
I can give 20 such examples.
One last piece of paper tonight, because I cannot resist.
No, Arnab, I still need to say.
One piece of paper tonight. No. You see, this is a fact.
When you connect this case to
put the facts out. This is a letter of the government of India, Sindhu Shri Khullar.
Just give me 30 seconds.
Sindhu Shri Khullar's letter. Sindhu Shri Khullar's letter, it was 1st August 2010, talking about what has come out against Mr. Darbari and Sanjay Mahindru. Written to whom? Written to whom? Written to, I hold it up, written to Suresh Kalmadi. This is part of my Commonwealth Games file. This was exactly 10 months after Mr. Kalmadi became so gullible that he ended up signing off the payment to AM Films. Hard evidence. I'm not talking in the air.
Arnab, now let me...
I'm not. So today the CBI cannot... Question is CBI can look at all of this and say, we are not going by, we don't believe. I am not holding a trial. I am putting the facts out.
If you want to hear the
people of this country are smart enough to know what the...
I'll keep quiet.
No. You speak factually, Tehseen. Give me a factual response. Don't give me a rhetorical response. Give me a factual response.
Let me speak. If you let me speak, Arnab.
Yes.
I am not. It is Mrs. Lekhi speaking rhetorically about CBI being under Congress pressure and all of that. Therefore, I gave her an answer. Now, let me give you very specific answers. Mr. Arnab Goswami, you compare this case to A. Raja. In the case of A. Raja, there is an established money trail. In the case of Mr. Suresh Kalmadi, the Delhi High Court has upheld that there is no money trail. Are you now going to challenge the judiciary of this country? Mrs. Lekhi can answer that.
Now,
Secondly, you are talking that Mr. Kalmadi reached on a particular day. There are tickets to prove he reached. There is his visa that proves he reached. There is the minutes of the meeting that was held.
now I'll tell you why you are wrong.
The mayor of London
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Tehseen. Tehseen.
There are the minutes that said,
Tehseen.
Mr. Arnab, please let me speak.
Tehseen, let me tell you one thing.
To cancel the
No,
event,
Tehseen, calm down.
the Indian
Calm down, Tehseen. Calm down, Tehseen. Calm down. Calm down, Tehseen.
I'm very calm, Arnab.
Now I'll tell you why.
Precisely one is questioning.
I'll tell you
Where
why.
is the money gone?
No, 1 second.
And why has CBI not investigated
No, 1 second.
that?
1 second.
This is
Tehseen,
exactly what
Tehseen Poonawalla says that there is no money trail.
You have never produced
Ma'am,
those
your
papers.
experience with CBI stems from the fact that the NDA controlled the...
No, I'm not interested in the NDA Congress argument. I want to be very
I'm
factual
sorry.
tonight.
I
Meenakshi,
George Fernandez case and
I've
Narendra
been in
Modi
practice
case.
for 22 years.
Now,
Narendra Modi case, we know how CBI and others, and why people
Correct.
like,
So you should have changed it
I
in the
don't
6
want to
years
name
all were
those
in
people,
power.
wanted matters to shift to CBI. And we have seen how CBI functions. Why
Now,
CBI?
1 second.
We've seen how ATSS functions. So don't make me open
Yes,
my
we saw
mouth
it in the George
unnecessarily on
Fernandez
issues
case.
which are not concerned with the present debate.
now here's
We know all the cases.
We are not
And I
talking
also know
about...
how
Exactly, ma'am.
Bangaru
You're the one
Lakshman
who's calling this.
is
You're the one who's going on to
inside
various
and,
Congress
Boffer's
leaders.
case
Please
is
stick
out.
to the debate.
67 crores person is outside. We know how CBI has functioned.
Now, 1 second, gentlemen. I just want to say one thing here. FIR has been filed
Where
in
did
all
you get the
cases.
facts of 25,000
Tehseen, listen to
crores
the
from,
fact
ma'am?
before
The
I wrap up.
whole of this QCR was 13
Tehseen,
crores.
I'm sharing some information. It may be useful for you. Just let me share this with you, Tehseen. You see,
Yeah.
FIR has filed
Tell me, Arnab.
on the 5th of January 2011. In this case, which is the overlay scam, Mr. Jain knows all about it. You can ask him. He can contradict me right now if there's a factual inaccuracy. Is it true or not, Mr. Jain, that the FIR into the overlay scam says that information further exists that XYZ person, I'm not naming the person, allegedly made illegal payments to the tune of 15 crore of the contract amount to the accused public servants for obtaining the contract? If that is not a financial impropriety, what are we talking about? Cheeseburgers? You want me to quote from the FIRs that have been filed in the merchandise case?
I am not read that charge sheet, so I would not like to
It's
make any
a
comment or
FIR
confirm.
lodged.
I mean, what is factually?
FIR lodged.
But not against Mr. Kalmadi.
FIR lodged.
Anyone can file any FIR.
Anyone can file any FIR. That's fantastic.
One has to track, no? One has to link it.
The question tonight is
Of
what,
course. This,
in today's age, what the CBI is doing will be under
exactly. Thank you, ma'am.
what the CBI is doing will be under national scrutiny. Times have changed. This is 2012, not 1995. So the scrutiny will be there. We'll follow the case. Mr. Jain calls it media trial. He has a right to do so. But the CBI's actions in this case will be discussed, will be followed up. The investigation into the CWG scam has a massive amount of national interest even now. Ladies and gentlemen, blunder or cover up, we are following the story very closely. Thank you very much.